for getting.
Okay, so let's discuss that from a highway code perspective. You're driving the car, you're taking the third exit on a roundabout. When would you usually move to the left?
After the second exit.
There you are. Exactly the same with a signal control roundabout. But if you look at the floor markings, they'll guide you through. So let's say, for example, we're taking the third exit on a signal control roundabout. A signal control roundabout, essentially, all it's telling you is that I'm controlled by traffic lights. Signal, the word signal, control. So all we need to do is establish whether the turn that we're making is controlled by traffic lights, or is my turn not controlled by traffic lights. Sometimes roundabouts are partially signal controlled and fully signal controlled. If they're fully signal controlled, life is so much easier. You just look at the floor markings. So let's say, for example, we're taking the third exit, then after the second exit, we would go to the left. Now, if we are turning right at the roundabout, let's say we're taking the third exit. As we start turning to the right, so we go past the first exit, we go past the second exit. When we approach our third exit, where the traffic lights are, there are 2 lanes. Which lane would you go into and why?
I would go into the left one.
Yes. Would that mean that's for your exit, or would that mean that it's to turn off, or?
Because I'm leaving at the third exit, so I'm changing.
Lovely. And what if you remained in the second lane of your third exit on a signal control roundabout? What would that mean to you?
It would mean I would exit on the right.
Yeah, or it means you're going back round again.
Oh yeah, say there's one lane.
Again, it's important that you look at the floor markings, and if it means anything different, usually it's marked on the floor with forward and right turn arrows, or if there's no arrows, then assume that lane also can go ahead and can turn right. Does that make sense? Do you understand that? So we've discussed how signal control roundabouts work, and that's brilliant in theory, but in practical terms it's a little bit different. Okay, now we call that the horse roundabout. Okay, so it's a roundabout you will come across on your driving test. So perhaps what we could do, we could get out of here, go up the road, do a U-turn, come back down, and let's do a couple of roundabouts on the way down, and then we can deal with that one as well before this lesson finishes. Okay.